Hello and welcome to my uilleann pipe making workshop here on Achill Island. My name is John Butler. I'm originally from Dublin and I've been living here in Achill for the past 10 years. I'm delighted to have been invited by the Linenhall to make a video contribution for their online celebration of Culture Night. And I'd like to say a special thanks to Bernadette for the invitation, and to Orla and Oisín and all the great staff in the Linenhall for the Trojan work they do supporting the arts. And this has never been as important as it is at the moment, with the devastating impact that the arts have suffered as a result of the lockdown. So I'm going to play a couple of pieces of music for you on a set of uilleann pipes that I made myself. They're pitched in the key of C and they're modelled after pipes that were made in the early 1900s by one of the foremost makers of the time, Willie Revson. The first piece I'm going to play is a slow air called A Storm a Cree, and the music is heavily influenced by one of my piping heroes, the late great Liam O'Flynn. And after that I'm going to go into a jig called Garrett Barry's jig, which would be a very common tune in piping repertoire. So I hope you enjoy the music, and I very much look forward to seeing and hearing the video contributions of many other artists from around Mayo on this wonderful celebration of Culture Night. Thanks very much.